is get down, y'all. Have a ball, y'all, and freak, y'all. Lifeless ventures ain't new, boo, so don't boo-hoo. Yeah, you too. Gotta get a grip, right culture. Swoop down like a vulture. The rhythms they lurk in the people. All funk ain't created equal. Waiting for the beat to rupture, like the rapture. Gotta capture. Don't let this normal life scare ya. Get funky, let me prepare ya for the days of grimness and depression. Hey yo, bro, here's your lesson. Even though the rain starts pouring, start reaching, start soaring. Don't stop if you do, you're stalling. Rhythm savior, hear you calling. Instrumental to be free, beat. Go ahead in the rain and you'll see. Can't we make you see? I mean the factor is the key. I mean devoted to the arts of moving but so get on up and think about what's yours. I mean your culture and your laws. I mean I'll label you a sucker if you're dumb and just stay dumber. But stay in line and keep grooving. If it's moving, if it's soothing, don't let a little thing like water keep you under or the thunder. Look and wonder. Strong to your soul is lifted. Get with it, rhythms with it. Get inside the groove and get nasty, funky nasty, crazy classy. Money is the first on the list here. It's the good time, it's the good cheer. If you got the ride, then ride it. Don't hide it, provide it. Drop down the pants, shake a fanny. Cause it's handy, not an Annie. Rock to the roll with the hair down. Get the low down, rhythm showdown. The simple explanation is nada. Make it hotter, thanks to nada. If you wanna hear what I'm saying, clean your ears and just come on and groove.
Gotta shake your booty, get on down. Gotta shake your booty, gotta shake that booty, get on down. Gotta shake your booty, come on. Gotta shake your booty, get on down. Gotta shake your booty, gotta shake that booty, get on down. Gotta shake your booty, come on. Gotta shake your booty, get on down. Gotta shake your booty, gotta shake that booty, get on down.